Hello, good evening, everyone. So today I'm going to talk about monocotyledon and dicotyledon. For that, I've just made a rough. So I have roughly made a copy like this, and here you can explain the basic three difference between monocotyledon and dicotyledon is that one, the monocotyledon, the leaves of a monocotyledon, they have parallel venation. Parallel venation means they have simply lines, veins that are going from the tip to the bottom in a parallel line without any networking like this. While the dicotyledon, they have a network of venations. So if you have a leaf like this, the dicot would be something like this. The venation are not straight lines like these ones, but they are network. Each one is divided into parallel, just like our arteries and veins. Okay, so they are network venation. Okay. And so on and so forth. Okay, that is one difference between monocotyledon and dicotyledon. The second difference between monocotyledon and dicotyledon is that the monocotyledon have fibrous root system. So if you have a tree like this or a plant like this under the ground, the plant, if this is the plant and the leaves are here, these are the monocotyledon. As you can see that they have parallel venation. I can't make it like properly because I need more thinner marker or something like that can easily make the leaves like that. Okay, if the leaf is this, they will have fibrous root system. That means all the roots are starting from the end of the shoot, which from right under the part which is under the ground, the root starts like that, and they kind of branch like this, and that is how the root system is. जैसे कि हम कह सकते हैं कि जैसे ही जितना हिस्सा ज़मीन के नीचे होता है वो फ़ौरन ही जो है ब्रांच हो जाता है फॉरन इनटू थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रूट्स. While in the case of dicotyledon, the plant is on the top, but when it goes under the ground, it changes into a taproot, main root, and that is then divided into fibrous root. If you have seen the case of carrot is a root and it is a taproot. इट इज़ यहाँ तक ये पूरी कैरेट जो है आपको मिलती है जब आप खींच कर निकालते हो, एंड द रेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट इज़ एक्चुअली प्लांट ऑन द टॉप. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द टैप रूट सिस्टम, दिस इज़ द फिब्रस रूट सिस्टम. ओके, फाइबर से निकला है फिब्रस रूट सिस्टम. ओके, सो इसके अंदर फाइबर्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, इसके अंदर कम होते हैं. इसके अंदर पैरेलल वेनेशन होती है, इसके अंदर नेटवर्क वेनेशन होती है. द थर्ड पॉइंट इज़ that if you break the seed, the seed is not going to break into two parts. I hope you have all seen chickpea. In Urdu we call it chane chane. Yes, if you remove the seed coat on the top, or you soak the grams or the chickpea overnight, you will see that when you remove the top covering, the chickpea is something like this, two halves. You will break it and it will come out to be two halves of two halves like this. चने इसके ऊपर से कवरिंग होती है ऐसे कर. ओके, ये होता है चना, ऐसा होता है ना ऊपर. Okay, so the chickpea is with the two seeds inside. So almost majority of the pulses that you eat at home, they have two seed leaves inside. So if you soak the हरी चने की वो जो हरी एक मूंग की दाल होती है, when you soak that, you will find out that it turns into the leaves, the seed coat can be removed, the green part can be removed, and you will get a two yellow seed leaves just like this one, and that we call yellow मूंग की दाल. जो नॉर्मल येलो मूंग की दाल होती है वो एक्चुअली इज़ इनसाइड द हरी मूंग की दाल. ओके, एंड इन द सेम वे when you see the case of monocotyledon, you will see that if you remove the seed coat, even after removing the seed coat, you will see that it is only one seed. You cannot break it down into two parts. there is only one part. सो ज़्यादातर घासें हो गई या इस टाइप की चीज़ें हो गई, उनकी वन सीड लीफ होती है. मोनोकॉटिलेडन्स होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर. ओके, एंड दीज आर द वंस विच आर डाइकॉटिलेडन. दैट इज़ ऑल. आई होप यू like the video, and if you have any queries, please ask. So it is Allah Hafiz from me. Hope you have a enjoyable time.